So in this lesson, we want to learn about how to add numbers using a number line. So I will draw a number line here. I'm simply using my ruler and a marker. Well, you can use a pencil. And I'm going to make some small dots here or lines representing numbers. So it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me show the numbers. I said I started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, suppose we want to add 5 plus 2. How do we do that? Well, we look at the first number 5. We're going to draw a line representing the number 5, and that line has to start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the line is going to move from here. We are taking 5 steps, and so we are going to end at 5. So we are going to add 2 steps to where we ended here, and that is going to result into 5 plus 2. So this was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. So plus 2, we do it like this. We start from where this first line ended. That will be our 0. So it will be 0, 1, 2. So the next line has to end on 7. So 2 starts from here, 0, 1, 2. So 2 ends where 7 is. And this value 7 is simply the result of 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. And we have demonstrated that using the number line. Now, here is a question. How can we add 2 plus 4 using a number line? Well, we start with the number 2, and we start from 0. 0, 1, 2. So our first line will end at 2 there. Plus 4 means where you've ended, add 4 steps. We are going to start from 2 where we ended. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our next line starts from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ends where there's 6. And that means 2 plus 4 more steps ends at 6. Therefore, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, in this second example, we want to show how you can subtract using a number line. Now, I have a line here, and I need to indicate an arrow here because the number line could be, it continues on to whichever number we want to end on. So 6 minus 2. How do we do that on a number line? How do we subtract using a number line? So like we did with addition, we are going to make the first line representing number 6. So that will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our first line moves from 0 to 6. This represents that. But then now, here it says minus 2. So it has taken us 6 steps to make the number 6, from 0 to 6. Minus 2 means take 2 steps backwards. So we are going to start from where we ended here on 6, and we are going to take 2 steps backwards. So we start from 6, our 6 now becomes a 0 as we count 2 steps backwards. So it will be 0, 1, 2. So from where we ended at 6, we take 2 steps back, taking 6 as 0, 0, 1, 2. So that means 6 minus 2 is this value here, which is 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. And that is how you subtract using a number line. Now, here is a special number line. It does not begin with 0, but it has numbers before 0. The numbers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, a number with a minus, we call it negative. So this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and the line continues. Now, this number line is very useful for finding answers to some questions. Questions like minus 2 plus 5, for example. So how do we find an answer to such a question? So like we did with the other number line, we shall do the same here. We start with the first number, minus 2. What this means is, start from 0 and take 2 steps backwards. So 0, 2 steps backwards will be 0, 1, 2. So if I start from 0 and draw a line 2 steps backwards, I'll arrive at negative 2 or minus 2. Now, the question here proceeds to say plus 2. In other words, add 5 steps to minus 2. So if it is plus, it means go this way. So I'll start from where I ended on negative 2, and I'll count 5 steps moving forward. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll end somewhere here. So I'll start from negative 2, counting 5 steps forward. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what this means is 5 steps forward end at the number 3 on the number line. In other words, minus 2 plus 5 equals this value here, which is 3.